Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Gmail Safe Password Security. And in this video, I'm going to show you on how to secure all safe password in your Gmail account. And this is promised to be a step-by-step guide. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Gmail app. After you open up your Gmail app, proceed to the profile icon. Go ahead and click on Manage Your Google Account. Proceed to Security and Sign In. Scroll down below right here. Continue to scroll down until you get to Password Manager. Click on Password Manager. Now you are here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on this setting icon. Now you are here. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you turn on this button. Password Alert. Google will notify you when your saved passwords are found online. Turn on this. And with that, you have enabled and secure all safe passwords into your Gmail account. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to secure your account, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.